It was a normal night.
Mom, it hurts.
We need surgery now.
Please save my child.
Will he survive?
My son has appendicitis. It started with a small pain, but it became serious very fast. We were scared. Come with us. Let's learn the full journey. From pain to hospital to recovery.
Dad, we will watch a movie today, right?
Yes, we will watch it, Tay.
You promise?
Yes, I promise.
I hope you do not forget.
I will not forget. Trust me.
Dinner is ready. Come here. Do hurry, let's come. I made everyone's special dish. Eat slowly.
I am very hungry today.
You are hungry every day.
Yes, because I love food.
That is very clear.
How was your day?
My day was good, Cla. I answered all questions in class.
I am proud of you. How was your day, sweetie?
My day was also good.
Really? What did you do?
I ate lunch and I played.
That sounds like a fun day, Ray.
Eat your food. Do not talk too much.
It is night. Everyone is sleeping.
I feel a little uncomfortable. It will be okay. Why is my stomach hurting? But this is not normal. The pain is getting stronger. I cannot sleep. Mom, please wake up. I cannot take this pain. Mom, please. Wake up. Let me lie down again. It hurts even more. I do not know what to do more. It hurts. I cannot stop crying. Mom, please wake up, What happened?
What happened?
I need help. We're here. What hurts?
Easy, buddy. We're here.
My stomach hurts.
Where does it hurt?
On the right side is very strong pain.
What is going on?
He is in pain.
Can you stand?
No, I cannot move you. It hurts when I move. It hurts when I breathe. Mom.
Do not worry.
Mom.
We are here.
We will take you to hospital.
Get up, my girl. We are going to hospital.
What happened, Mom?
Your brother has a very bad stomach pain.
Oh no. No, he is not feeling well.
We need to go to the hospital right now. Can I come with you? Yes, but hurry up. We don't have much time.
Okay, Mom, I'm coming. This way, quick behind you.
The family is in the car going to the hospital.
Is everyone okay back there?
We're almost there. Just hold on.
Mom, it's still...
I know. I am here.
The pain is very strong. I cannot sit properly. It hurts when the car moves.
I will drive slowly. Just a few minutes more, Faye.
I am scared too.
Do not worry. Everything will be fine.
Mom, please distance it.
Just hold on. We are almost there.
We are here.
Stay with me now.
Open the door.
Help! Please help us! What happened? My son has severe pain. Bring him here. Quickly.
What is the problem?
He has strong stomach pain.
Please help me.
Okay, do not worry. I am here to help. What is your name?
My name is Ethan.
Ethan, can you tell me what you feel?
My stomach hurts a lot.
Where does it hurt?
Right here, it feels sharp up and tight.
When did the pain start?
It started at night. Suddenly.
Did he eat something unusual?
No, everything was normal.
I will touch your stomach. Tell me if it hurts. Does it hurt here
Yes, well,
and here?
it hurts.
Okay, I understand. Doctor, is it serious? We need to check properly. Do not worry, we will do some tests. Okay, thank you, doctor.
What kind of tests?
Is my brother okay?
Please help him.
We will do our best. Nurse, prepare for tests.
Right away, doctor.
You're doing great, buddy.
Just breathe, sweetie. Is the dinosaur helping?
Yeah, he's brave. What is this big machine?
This is a scan machine. Do not worry.
It will help us see inside your body.
See inside?
Ready, buddy? It'll be quick.
We're right here, sweetie. Okay, I'm ready.
You're so brave.
Yeah, super brave.
Mr. and Mrs., I have the results.
Doctor, what is it?
Is everything okay? The pain is caused by appendicitis.
Appendicitis?
Yes, it is a problem in the appendix. It is swollen and infected.
Is it serious?
Yes, it is serious. If we do not treat it, it can get worse.
What do we need to do?
We need to do surgery. Is there no other option? No, surgery is the best and safest way. We need to remove the appendix test.
Is it dangerous?
Do not worry. It is a common surgery. We do this many times. Will he be okay? Yes, he will be okay. But we need to act quickly.
How soon?
As soon as possible. We will prepare him for surgery now.
Mom, what is happening?
Inside the operation room, the doctors are doing their best. Scalpel,
Here,
careful with the retraction.
vitals are stable.
Every moment feels long for the family outside time.
Mom, will my brother be okay?
Yes, he will be fine. The doctors are helping him.
Stay strong. Everything will be okay. The operation is finished. Your son is safe.
Thank God. Can we meet him?
Not yet. We will shift him first, then you can see him. Thank you, doctor. Hello. How are you feeling now?
I feel a little pain.
That is normal. You had surgery.
Is he okay now?
Yes, he is stable. When will he feel better? In a few days, he will be fine. Give him rest and light food. Do not let him move too much.
Doctor, can I go home?
Soon, but not today. I will check again tomorrow. He's doing great, a real fighter.
It still hurts a little. We're so proud of you, sweetie.
Yeah, a superhero.
You are okay now.
Yes, I feel better, Harry. We were very worried.
I was scared.
Now everything is fine.
We are together.
Hello? Time for medicine.
I do not like medicine. I know, but it will help you not.
Is everything normal? Yes, he is recovering well.
What should we do?
Is he gonna be okay?
He'll be fine, just needs rest. Give medicine on time, let him rest. No running, no jumping.
Okay, I will rest.
Hello? Your discharge papers are ready.
Thank you.
Is everything complete?
Yes, it's all set.
That's a relief.
All right, let's get you home.
Take care. He is safe now.
Never ignore pain, Bert.
Take care and stay healthy. If you learned something, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.